This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah. So, yeah, hi, Amber. This is Raj. I'm just organizing this presentation. And here, Tosin. So, the stage is yours.
Thank you. So yes, I am the client manager, so I'm going to be talking about technically your website and the demos that we have available for you. So here I'm just going to suggest a list of the things we're going to be talking about. First is the homepage design selection. So I'm going to take you through the actual homepage of how you would like your website to look like. Then the development, technically how we're going to develop it and what platform we're going to use to develop it. And then after that, we're be talking about the CEO. So that in terms of the CEO, it means the Google navigation, how customers are going to find you on Google, and how it's going to be easier for customers to find you and keywords to use. And then we're going to have a review after you decide on which website that you would like to use. So right now, I'm just going to go on one of the first demo. So this is the first demo of the website. So technically it has your name on top of the Amber Movers, and it has the menu on the top, the tabs of the description of the company and the information that the customer would need. Then under these images are just a demo. So based on the images that you would like for us to upload on there, we would put technically input it in the site so it can attract customers and it can relate to your business. And here's just a little message that the customer can send to you in terms of putting your full name, message, and so forth. Then it just has a little description about the company. So it has moving information and how to contact you guys. And it just here is just another picture and image of how long you guys been around. And then at the bottom, it just has your logo with your information and technically general information of what the client or what the customer would like to know. Here is a second demo. It's a little different from the first one. It has more of a wider range and it's more bright. It has the tabs on top of each and information about the company and the service you provide. They're able to click on any of the services, and underneath has icons with the services that you provide underneath. So it gives customers more information on how to contact you and what type of services they need and how you meet those needs. And here's a little description of the company, and here's the information that they can put in order for you to contact them in regards to what type of capacity of space they're living in and the services they need. So they can get a free quote from you guys, and then you'll be able to contact them in regards to the day of their moving. And at the bottom here, we have just general information of the services that you guys are attached to, and a little bit more information of the company with images. And here it just shows why use technically why use you guys. So all the reasons and economical reasons why you guys are the best choice. And technically the testimony of a customer at the bottom, describing how good your services are. Then if you have any additional information of blogs, newsletters that you guys are known for or acknowledged for, we're able to input it on to the website. And final is the final on the bottom page where it just has general information of if they want to contact you, if they're of older age and they can't use the web or whatever, they can contact you through the phone number. And now we're just gonna go back to okay. So on top also it has your general phone number with contact information, and has a menu tab where they can see different services you have to provide and access that through each tab. And here is another easy search tool where moving from and to, so they can get an estimate of your services and more general worldwide range of information of what type of services you guys provide: long distance, corporate moving, international moving, household moving. And here's another picture of a customer being satisfied, just for an example of a picture that you guys would like to use. And here's just a little quote from maybe one of your customers, or maybe even your CEO can have a quote on there talking about the services and your company. And at the bottom is just another general information of how to contact you guys, what you guys have to offer. Then the fourth one is more of a eco-friendly kind of website. So it has the general information, your logo, general phone number, how to contact you guys. So as soon as the customer goes on the website, they're able to see your phone number right away. They want to contact you as soon as possible. And here's just a general information with images of the services that you can provide. So in terms of moving from where to where, using what truck, and the capacity that you guys are able to move. And just eco-friendly image of being eco-friendly in the community, in the environment. And definitely just general information again, like definitely showing what you guys have to offer. Sorry, this is the fourth one. Sorry about that. Yes, so this is the fourth one, and so this one is just the same type of search, but it's a little bit different. So the tabs on the top, and each subtitle have moving with underneath has the subtitle of different links that the customer is able to have access to. And also on top has a picture and an image with they want to get a quote, and it also has a rating too that shows how much customers are satisfied with your services. Here you can put on the search tool, and they're able to. So this helps the customers to get a quote right away. They put the location. It helps you guys to know what type of capacity or what type of services the customer will need based on them filling each tab. And here's just more of a icon with each subject of National Mover, different subject of things that you guys have to offer. And then at the bottom here, we have the moving tips and just general information that any movers or anybody that needs moving services would want to know. Then at the bottom, we have technically just general information of what you guys provide and your services. So now we'll go on so technically we'll use WordPress to create your website. So based on that, you will have access to edited information that may change in the future. So once we provide the services for you and develop your website, if anything changes, you're able to make edits to it and change anything you want on the backstage, technically, of the site. And it's very easy. There's an update button on the right hand side at the top, so you're able to update any information that you may feel like you want to change. Then in terms of the search, using SEO, so technically the search engine on Google. So here's the SEO title, where you could put related topics that relates to your business, just like moving or moving company. If we were to put that in the search title, it will show up on Google automatically. That way, customers are able to have access to you as soon as possible. And this is a really good tool to use especially for when it comes to having a website, because you want customers to find your website right away by using specific words. Just here's an example of a renovation company of how customers type in what they want, and then automatically it brings up the actual company on the second line or the second option. So this will be the same thing for your company also. The customer will just type in movement services and your company name would come up right away. And here is a tool that you're able to use based on the type of company or industry you own. So technically, Raj is just typing in, and it'll show up all related words. That's sort of having to think about the words. It'll pick up different words you can use, and you can just click on the boxes beside the words, and this will help in terms of what customers technically type in to find movers. So here's a very useful tool in terms of when later down the line, if you're wanting to change your search engine, if you feel like customers are not really going on the website as much or you're not getting enough customers, you're able to change the SEO title. So once you just input the name, you can just update it, and then everything gets updated and saved on your website. Then after that, then we just technically review the site with you once you've selected the perfect or the perfect website that you would like. And then we already talked about the CEO for keywords. As we said, as I said earlier, so the review is just technically us reviewing everything with you in terms of how you like it. You send us pictures of similar pictures, or we can provide you with pictures too of the best pictures to attract customers in terms of the services that you're in or the industry that you're in.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay, Tosin. I think we can end up this meeting.
Okay.